Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore loss harvesting using Fidelity step by step clearly. To start restoring loss harvesting using Fidelity, log in to your Fidelity account. Navigate to the Accounts and Trades section on the main menu. Select Portfolio to view your current investments and holdings. Identify the securities that have experienced losses. Click on the specific security you wish to sell for tax loss harvesting. Review the performance chart to confirm it's at a loss. Select the sell option for that security. Input the quantity you want to sell. Review the order details to ensure accuracy. Submit the order to complete the sale. Next, consider reinvesting in a similar but not identical security to maintain market exposure. Search for a comparable investment in Fidelity's research tools. Review its performance history and risk factors. Once you select a suitable replacement security, proceed to purchase it. Input the quantity you want to buy. Confirm and submit your purchase order. Monitor your portfolio regularly to manage future harvesting opportunities. Keep track of your realized losses and gains for tax reporting purposes. Consult with a tax advisor to maximize benefits from your tax loss harvesting strategy. Stay informed about market conditions and adjust your strategy as necessary. Review Fidelity's resources for any updates or tools that can assist you in loss harvesting. This completes your step-by-step process for restoring loss harvesting using Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.